Hey guys, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to manually source products for Amazon FBA business by doing this strategy called storefront stalking. But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group where you guys can attend my free weekly calls and also network with our sellers. So with that said, this is the video for today, and I'm going to show you guys how to do storefront stalking to find products for Amazon business, right? So first up is you guys start with an Amazon product page, right? So I would start with a product that you probably sold in the past, right? Because it's um yeah, because it's just a good product to start with. And then from here, I would go down the offers section, right? And then I would pick a product or not a product, a seller with I want to say 100 ratings or less, and that's because um if a seller has 100 ratings or less, it probably means this seller is doing the same thing that we're doing, which is online arbitrage or retail arbitrage. So I like to start with sellers with, again, 100 ratings or less. So for example, this one, right? This guy has 50 ratings or less, or 50 ratings. So I would click on this person's or seller's page, and then from here you would see all this person's page. And what I like to do is I usually go through each single product on this person's page, and then I do a reverse search. So, for example, this one, right? I like to open up the Amazon product page. Right there, you click it here, and then I want to open up the Google shopping page. And then I need to look for the exact same product um, from other websites, right? So this one is a controller for Oculus Quest 2. So I need to find the exact product from these other retailers, right? So, um, yeah. So for this one, the trick too is that you need to find the exact same product with a max cost of $70 or less. So 70, 15 or less, right? It's going to be easier for you to do that because you guys are not only looking at the photos, but you guys are also looking at the maximum cost of the product. So if a product is above or beyond $70.15, I would just skip the product, right? So yeah, so I would just look for the exact same product. I mean, I see a lot of them, but again, it needs to be $75 or less, right? Or $70 or less. So what's going on? Okay, yeah, I don't see it, so I would skip that one right away. It's not working out, and then I would move into the next one. So again, open up the Amazon product page, and then Google Shopping. This one's 34. Yeah, this one's not going to work either. So max cost is, see, max cost 31. Wait a minute, that's wrong. So max cost for this is about 21.16. So I mean, this could be it. Let's check it. So this one is for the PC. This one is PS5. You guys see it? This one is for the PC, right? This one is PS5, so it's not gonna work. Let's see, CD keys, Xbox One. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Yeah, it's not gonna work. So switch it up. Close it. Okay. This one is for PS5. So max cost is 21. Could this be it? This looks like it. Oh, it's not. Jedi Survivor. Survivor, the Survivor, the Survivor. This could be it. Let's check it out. Oh, digital download. Okay, so it's not gonna work. Okay, it's not working out. So let's pick maybe a toy or something. Try this one. Let's see. Let's see. So max cost about $5. Let's see if we can find it somewhere else for $5. No, I'm not seeing it. No, so move on to the next one. Try this one. Yeah, this one takes a while because you need to go through many websites to find a product. So usually people like to outsource this part, but then again, if you're a new seller, right, there's no way for you to outsource right away. So you would start with doing things manually on your own beginning. So this is it. Nike Man Slugs, Moto, Boxer Briefs. This could be it. Oh, it's a boys one, I think. Boys 8 to 20. Yeah, that's not it. Big kid size. Yeah, I'm not seeing it either. Okay. Next one. Vinyl. I think that's the one. Max cost is 1916, so this could work. I mean, this one too. Yeah, we found one. CD. That was a CD. The one on Amazon is vinyl. So yeah, guys. I hope you guys got value from the video. We didn't really find any good products from this video, but I hope you guys got at least a step by step right on how to do it. So again, you start with a product on Amazon that you sold in the past, and then go inside one of your sellers, other sellers' stores with 100 or less ratings. It's 100 or less ratings because because people who are selling with 100 or less ratings are probably doing the same thing as us, which is arbitrage. You click on that store, and then you go through that seller store one by one and look for the source, right? And again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm going to post the link in my description below, and that way you guys can join my free weekly calls and also network with other sellers. So with that said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.